Welcome back, and in this lesson we're going to over the dodge tool right over here and the blur tool, dodge tool, blur tool, and at the same time we will put more accent, more emphasis on this cute dog and turn this shadow into something like a glow from this art hello. So let's go edit. I suggest just duplicate this layer by using Command or Control J. Duplicate the image layer because we don't want to spoil the original image in case we'll make a mistake. Let's give a name, Doggy, and just select the blur tool. After selecting, we see this radius with a circle. So let's change the hardness like this, and let's change the size, doing faster. And if you see, all the stuff around here, his or her right now, I think her is becoming blurred. We can click on this eye icon to see the original looks like and after. See that? So we just paint over the unwanted area. Let's just change the size and work with around the stuff, and we can actually change the string, and here it is. Pixels are not smoothing. I can pass the case, but I'd like to show you the faster way. Let's just undo previous actions. Like this. Okay, we have another option. It's the Gaussian blur. That is a great way to reduce any unwanted grain or areas. So we're gonna go to filter and down to the blur and over the Gaussian blur like this. And then we're gonna play with strength. I think it's nice, and then hit OK. And you can change the opacity 60%. I think it's good. And it reminds me of a sort of fogged glasses, in case our client says, hey, could you please make a photo as if I'm looking through fogged glasses? And now we can do this. Gaussian blur and 60% of opacity. So this is with on and this is with off. But it's a really good job, but the entire image is soft and I want the doggy to be sharp. And now we need just select object selection tool here, click here, and Photoshop AI will automatically select the subject. And now our object selection, but we need the halo 2, shift, and this one, and this one. Okay, that's good. After that, we just need to create a layer with a dog. By Command J, we create this layer, only dog and our halo. And now this layer must be higher than doggy layer. And now let's give a name for that. Doggy without blur. And just hit here. And let's just turn this on. Yeah, we did it. The dog is in a focus while the rest of the image is Gaussian blurred. Nice! The last tool is Dodge tool. By simply clicking on the Dodge tool right here, we can make some parts of the picture lighter. And doing like this, you will see this. And about bird tool is over here. Bird tool does the opposite of the Dodge tool. Just paint over the part of the image you want to darken. And here we go. In this case, we need to make something like a glow given by this art halo. Let's undo last action and just choosing Dodge tool and make this area, these pixels, lighter. And we need a lot of light over here and do like this. Maybe make lighter these areas, and here we go, before and after. So it's really cute, like a little doggy angel, isn't it? So let's jump into the next episode where our boss wants us to create. Ouch. See you next video.